look what I got from the mail today. So I just left the mailbox, and guess what? Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's here! My first ever BoxyCharm. Let's open this baby up and let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Oh hey, what it is, what it do?
On the track.
Just want to jump on camera right quick, but yes, here it is. Oh my goodness, yo, my first ever BoxyCharm. Let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what's inside. My first ever BoxyCharm, it look cute, don't it? It's cute, boo. It's cute, yes.
I'ma be honest to God, Lord, I'm gonna get it together. Yes, I promise.
Okay, so I got my disinfecting wipes here. I actually have one already out. I'm just gonna put that right there, then toss this to the side. Oh my gosh, and just go ahead and open it. And I have my camera set up today so I can be hands free. So the first item is, ooh, Tardius. Can y'all see that? Shimmering lip paint. Ooh. Look at that box though, that gold. Yes. Okay, so let me open this baby up. I actually have trial size of these, like the little ones. Oh my, is this full size? Oh my goodness. Y'all. Hold on, my camera. Oh, it's okay. Pretty. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I'm gonna do a little swatchy swatch for y'all right quick, like. Okay. Pretty. Pretty. I like it. See, right now, since we're wearing masks and stuff out at work, and when I go in the stores, I wear a mask. So, can't really do too much. I mean, can't, like, you know, wear lipstick and lip gloss like that. For now. Now, I did put some on for the video because, you know, yeah. Okay, so that's the first thing in the BoxyCharm. Let's see, what's the second thing? Ooh, what's this? Oh, and this brand was Tarte, by the way. Oh, we got 2 of the Tatchka. Let's see what this is. Oh, the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Okay. And we got 2 of them for normal to dry skin. Okay. Nice. Let's look at the... Okay. Yes. Formulated without mineral oil, parabens, synthetic fragrances. Baby, this is a keeper. So that is the second thing that I pulled out of my BoxyCharm. Okay. Oh, look at that. Hello, Charmer. Hey, boo. Okay. And the next thing is, ta-da, QMS Medical Cosmetics Intensive. Ooh, some eye cream. Yes, I need some of this beauty facial care. Because right now I'm just using my little little facial oil. It's got yeah, anti-aging properties and stuff like that. But this, okay. Intensive eye cream. Oh, let's look. Let's look at it. I'm gonna use this, so. Okay. So that's what it looked like. It's just cream. So that's that. Now let's move on. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I really wanted these for, I think the other ones I seen were like the colorful the colorful ones. But as long as I got me some brushes, I am good. Yeah, premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Cruelty free. Yes, this is definitely nice. Nice. And I got the little glittery, covered in glittery clothing. Nice. Glittery, glittery. So really excited about those. And look, it matches the it's hard. Y'all, I'm just excited. This is my first BoxyCharms, okay? So let's see. Oh, this is a palette. I've seen this before. You know what? I think I've had this palette before. Pretty Vulgar. Enhance your beautiful contradictions. Ooh. Okay, so let's just open this up. Okay. Yeah, I've had this before. Oh my goodness. I've had this before. From somewhere. But anywho, yep. Okay, now this. That's this one. This one's called Nightingale. Another look. Pretty though. I don't want a swatchy swatch because I'm going to give this away, I believe. Okay, so the next thing, wait, is that it? Oh, that's it. Oh no. Okay, so with BoxyCharm you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Okay, and well, that was everything inside of my BoxyCharm. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. See ya later, Glamsters. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. I have like if I'm looking in the camera, all these flies and stuff come from all of a sudden.